Hi, welcome to my open house today at 6081 Triumph Lane. Today is September 14th from 10 to 12 and also tomorrow, Friday and Saturday, September 15th and 16th from 2 to 4 p.m. at 6081 Triumph Lane. I hope to see you. It's a beautiful 2-bedroom plus den home in Webb, a 55 and up gated community. It does not have a pool, but that's the awesome thing because you're really close to the clubhouse, so you have a pool without the maintenance. Come and join me and I will show you more about this home. I will post a link here so that you can check it out, but please call me at 239-232-5563 with any questions and come in person to the open house today from 10 to 12 and tomorrow, Friday and Saturday from 2 to 4 p.m. 6081 Triumph Lane. Thank you and God bless you.